I want pudding. You quack me up. Quack me up. That's why you're my D-O-G-E.
Your Doge? What are you talking about? I'm Strong Bad. Rothelman works in Regional Shipping Management Resources.
Good one, Waddleman. I mean, good one, my dog.